Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Armenian cucumber. Also known as yard-long cucumber or snake melon, is a unique vegetable that offers a range of health benefits. If you're looking for a refreshing and nutritious addition to your diet, Armenian cucumber is the perfect choice. Here are some of the key benefits of Armenian cucumber. Armenian cucumber has a high water content, making it a great choice for staying hydrated. It helps replenish fluids in the body and supports optimal hydration, especially during hot summer months. Despite its mild flavor, Armenian cucumber is packed with essential nutrients. It contains vitamins C and K, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese, which are important for maintaining overall health. Armenian cucumber is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help protect the body against oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting cellular health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, the fiber content in Armenian cucumber promotes healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It can help maintain a healthy gut and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. But the benefits don't stop there. Armenian cucumber is low in calories and fat, making it a great addition to a balanced diet for weight management. It provides a feeling of fullness and satiety without adding excessive calories. The high water content in Armenian cucumber, along with its antioxidant properties, can contribute to healthier skin. It helps hydrate the skin, promote a youthful appearance, and may even help reduce the risk of skin problems like acne and blemishes. Don't forget about your heart health. The potassium content in Armenian cucumber plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. It supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Did you know Armenian cucumber has natural detoxifying properties? Thanks to its high water content and fiber content, it helps flush out toxins from the body and supports overall detoxification processes. Lastly, Armenian cucumber contains beneficial nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein, which are essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting eye health. And there you have it, the remarkable health benefits of Armenian cucumber. From its hydrating properties and nutrient-rich profile to its contribution to digestive health and skin rejuvenation, this unique vegetable has proven itself to be a valuable addition to any healthy diet. So next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, be sure to grab some Armenian cucumber and start enjoying its incredible benefits. Whether you slice it into salads, blend it into refreshing smoothies, or simply enjoy it as a snack, you're giving your body a nutritious boost. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.